In this section, we are going to talk about the assignment operator. Assignment operator, for example, I have a variable x and assign number to it, and then I print that variable here, and I print it here on the screen, so it shows me. Now assume that I have the same variable, and then I want to have variable plus 3, do it, and again I want to print it out, this one. So that is another way to say it. So I want here it is, I have variable x15, I want 3 plus x. There are other ways that I can do this one. I can write, instead write 2x, I can say it, here it is, I can plus 3. So what I say that, let me have the printout here too. Let me do this one, instead 3, put it 15 or 16, so at least we see the different thing. So what happened here, so I add here 30 and then 18 plus 16. So I'm able to do this one. I say the x plus same thing, it makes same thing. So I have say add x plus whatever value of x is 16 to the top of that one. The other one is I have the minus one. I keep copy this one, and I won't say whatever value I had on x minus 16, so it's going to be 18. Let me do that times, so I can write the same way, that let me do the times tag. So I say whatever value I have it, and then I say that times 16. Let's go with a big number, but here it is. Then I have division, so I can write both ways. Here it is, for example, in this case, I can say x equal x times 16. Same thing is, this is the same meaning of here. So here's division, divide that one by 16, and then I have we have floating. Let me copy this one, and then I have floating which is going to backslash. Let me do it 3 different number. Let me do it through 3. So that is 76.